So something that a lot of producers sleep upon in Ableton Live is Chord. Don't sleep on Chord. Chord is super brilliant, especially if you have Ableton Live 12 where they've added new features. So let's just drag this down. I'm going to quickly show you what Chord does, and then we're going to go into some of the new features and how they can help you with your production. So let's start with the first value, which is shift. If I shift, say, by 1 semitone, I'll play my original note plus 1 semitone. Okay, so if we go up 3 semitones and then play the original note, you'll hear that chord. And let's just go up, say, to 6 on this one here. Just for fun, we can go up to 9 or 8. Yeah, we'll go up to 8 on this one. So every time you play a note, those 3 notes plus your original note will be played. And if you strum, you get some brilliant strumming. And the further you go to the right, it sounds more and more like an arpeggiator. Right, which is super cool. What we can do is, because up above here you can see that we have scale awareness switched on and it's in E minor. Let's just click scale awareness on like that, and we're going to start again. So we're going to go here, just type in 3, just type in 6 and type in 8. So this is exactly the same as what we had before, but it's scale aware. And the difference is, if you have a look down here, instead of ST semitones, you've got scale degrees. What scale degrees is, you've got 3 scale degrees within the chord, right? So in this chord is E minor. So these are the notes within E minor, and this is 6 scale degrees and this is 8. So this is all playing in E minor, so you get a completely different effect, which can be really valuable in certain situations. And we can go ahead and add more notes and lower notes. The other thing we can do is we can just go back here and just add a bit more strum, and let's play a bit with tension. What tension does, as you go towards 100 here, it will play it faster as you go towards 100. And then with crescendo, we have a louder sound as we go towards 100 and a softer sound as we go to minus 100. So it's super useful. The other thing you can do here, go into learn. So what learn does is it just basically learns the chord that you're playing. You can just play it. Okay, so I've just played those notes, for example, clicked on learn. So it's just going to play those notes all the time. And you know, with strum, for example, if you go all the way up to 400 milliseconds, it almost sounds like an arpeggiator. Isn't that cool? So don't sleep on chord. Chord is cool.